What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am very sorry about the lack of posting. I've been very busy moving places and doing things, but I'm very excited to be back. We got a pair of Nike Air Force Ones today, inspired by Toronto for a client, and then I got a 6x3 metal canvas painting that I did for myself. I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Know what you guys thought of the sneakers. So I should do more sneakers, do more paintings. Let me know in the comments. For customs or for commissions, the email is in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. Shout out to all those dudes that have been giving me, whether it was criticism, love, appreciation, whatever it was for this channel. So shout out to all you guys. Please share if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next week. Stay frosty.